Hello everyone, hello beautiful people. Another one don't happen again, oh my darling people. One guy wey dey cash all because of all those boys wey be say that they go dey do yahoo yahoo. They cash and we wan go shop somebody shit. Yeah. If they say no una work, our youth of nowadays una no go work. Una dey look for quick money because this one na advice to our youth of nowadays. This one na advice to una. Make una work. Make una forget all those things wey una dey do. Okay, see this boy now, na they don cash am now. He wan go shop. Somebody, una know na, somebody shit. He wan go shop am. Then they cash am. Eh? They cash am. Hey, God. Una know na, somebody like, hi, God. And that irritates reach. And somebody wan go eat all because of money. All because of money, now they cash am. Which native doctor dey tell una mona dey go dey do that kind thing? Eh? Now what for our young boys of nowadays? The one that they find this money by fire by thunder so the thing they shocktalize me, my people. The thing they surprise me really. Like seriously. Just see what this small boy na just put himself not because of money. Hey, my people. Have this the video not video with the way you feel show where you feel put for YouTube at all. Eh? If not, I for put am on and see am. Just see how this boy take carry disgrace put for himself now. All because he dey look for money. Now vigilante people that cash am in the night. All those vigilante people where they waka in the night. Now they cash am so. Eh? Okay, what did this boy now they look for now? Small boy. Who can go tell you that me you go to do this kind of thing now? Just see what did this boy do to himself now. Just see what he do to himself all because of money. My people, I beg. Mona go dey work. Mona not dey look for fast money again. Na fast money dey cause all those things. Eh? Then they cause just see how this boy now take put wahala for a body now. See how he take put problem for himself. All because of fast money. Fast money. Wetin you go cause, my people? Eh? All because of fast money. You want to make money fast. Now they put itself for one chance. So, one chance. Now you put itself. So, my people. My darling people. I see the video. I say, it don't, somebody first said that for me. I said, no. Another person said that again. I say, okay, I use and give people advice, really. Because people really need advice for all those kind of things. I beg. More now, not they look for yahoo money again. See, Hush Puppy now. You know one rest. Now they enter one chance. So. They enter one chance. No matter how many years when you go take come out now. Before you come out, all your mates express go don't live at that time. You understand? So I beg, may we dey advise our children. You know, if your pikin don't grow, it don't come of age. Advise them make they not go to do all those things because nothing like you work, receive your money, but not those things because many people when they receive money for this, you don't know how they get them. You don't really know. Yeah, you don't know. I come back and say, I regret very, You not lie, All of us, we just dey look each other somehow. Because this one go they make money, you don't know how they make am. You say you two want still make. Now they lead to all those things. Now they cause all those problems. My people, I beg. Just see this guy now, they don't cash am. He want go make money. Because his friend don't see money for that yahoo. Now he wants to go do. Now that one tell am now say, see how they do am. See am. He now want go shop. Wetin they come out for inside nyash now. Now they cash am so. And they cash am. You don't put yourself for one chance. Every one chance so. Now you just enter now. Hey my people, I beg. Mona use this boy who take get sense so. If you know say you get plan to go do this kind of thing now, look this boy oh now they don't cash am now oh. They don't cash am now I want do your life now. See the big disgrace when he give himself now. He hold the shit for hand. Hey my people, I beg. He hold am for hand. I beg. Mona no dey do that thing again o. Mona go work. Mona go work. Nothing like work. My darling people. So now this small video I say make I do my advice for now. I beg who get ear make e hear am. If una think say I dey joke, if una need the video, mona private chat man send am for una. Man send am for una. Mona stop to dey do all those things. My darling people, thank you everybody. Share this video, I beg. Mona share and make it go viral. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe. Thank you, and share this video, please. Share and give your brother we know the year word. We want to make money fast. Share and give am. Share and give even your sister. Share and give people. Make they see am. Thank you. Share am. Make it go viral.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.